Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and doing well. I welcome you to an interesting hairstyling video tutorial where we're gonna teach you how to make some unique and lovely hairstyles. So are you guys excited for the same? So let's get started. Here we have made a ponytail and then scrunching your hair like this and getting it beautifully folded into braids of two and then just secure it in this way. Now taking the hair from either side, you have to roll them perfectly into one over the other, and now with the help of rubber band, you need to secure it in this manner. Let's see what are we going to do next. You have to just keep on rolling it and getting it beautifully secured in this way. Now let's see what are we going to do next. You just have to keep on making the rolls like this, getting it done beautifully. Keep on proceeding, and now here, what are we going to do? You just have to keep on making it in this way. Now keep on making this and then you will understand that how beautiful these hairstyles are. You have to just twirl it and twist it in this manner and get it made into this way, and then with the help of clutches you need to secure it further. Isn't it cool? Keep on proceeding. Now let's see what are we going to do next. You have to secure it in this manner, getting it beautifully made like this and roll them in this way. Now what we are going to do here, you have to just get it beautifully secured and packed up in this manner. This is gonna look pretty enough. Now let's see what are we going to do here. You have to just secure the hair like this and get it beautifully done and packed up in this manner. And here you have to just keep on making it secured like this. Let's see what are we gonna do. You have to just get it done beautifully enough, and now getting it done like this. Isn't it cool? Damn pretty. You have to just get your hairs out and give it a little messy look to make it look even more beautiful and alluring. Proceeding the same way, let's see what are we gonna do. Here you have to make the crisscross patterns by taking small partitions of hair, that too thin one, and now you have to do it beautifully and precisely with the help of your fingers. You need to do it like this, and this is gonna look damn beautiful and amazing. Keep on proceeding and have to make and convert it into a lovely hairstyle like this, and then with the help of rubber bands you need to secure it in this manner. Now proceeding like this, let's see what are we gonna do next. Here you have to just arrange the hair like this, get it done beautifully in this manner, and you have to secure it right away in this way, interlocking the hair partitions like this and then doing it beautifully in this manner. This is gonna look damn pretty. Isn't it cool?